Hi everyone, welcome to Maths video class 6th. We are on chapter 5 and exercise 5C. Question number 1 we have solved in last video. Now we will be solving question number 2 onwards. Okay. So in live classes also I have already told that please start preparing for your first unit test. Okay. Now question number 2, by rearranging the given numbers evaluate. By rearranging means making proper groups. Okay. So you can see here 2 and 50. If I multiply 2 and 50, if I make group of 2 and 50, what I'll get? I'll get 2 into 50, 100. So to multiply 487 with 100 will be more easier. Okay. So first I'll make groups. In that group 2 multiplied by 50 will come. Okay. Let us see how to solve such questions. So 2 multiplied by 487 multiplied by 50. So I have taken 2 and 50 in one group and this 487 here. Just what we have done, we have rearranged it. Why to rearrange? To make our work easier and convenient. Okay. So 2 multiplied by 50 gives me 100. So you have to multiply any two numbers. Either they'll give you 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, maybe lakh also. Okay. Why? Because left of the numbers, just multiply them with this power of 10. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. You will get the answer directly. No need to multiply rough in rough. Okay. So I have grouped it 2 into 50 multiplied by 487. All the three numbers are similar. Only arrangement is different. Okay. So 2 into 50. 52 is 100 multiplied by 487 as it is. Now 487 multiplied by 1. 487 ones are anything multiplied by 1 gives you that number only. So 487 multiplied by 1 is 487. And here how many zeros are left? 2. 1, 2. So right here 1, 2. So our answer is 48,700. Okay. Let's see the next one. 25 multiplied by 444 multiplied by 4. So 20. So now look here. If I multiply this with this, I have to use rough column. So no use of it. Okay. I have to rearrange. But if I multiply 24 into 4, I'll get 100. 25 4s are 100. So I have taken 25 and 4 in one group and 444 outside. Okay. So 25 4s are 100 multiplied by 444 here. You know now 444 ones are 444 or 444 multiplied by 1, 444, 0, 1, 2. So 1, 2. So 44,400 is the answer. So what is the key? Key is how you arrange it. Okay, that is very important. Okay. Next is 225 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 4. In this what you have to do is arrange in such a way that your work becomes convenient. That is only the point here. So if I'll take 225 into 4. See, I have made group 225 into 4 and 20 into 50. 20 into 50 because 5 2s are 10. So I will get here 1000. 5 2s are this 10 and this 0 0. So I'll get, after multiplying 20 with 50, I am getting 1000. And here 225 multiplied by 4, 900. Okay. So 900 multiplied by 1000 gives 9 lakh. Okay. See how 9 ones are 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First we'll do 9 ones are 9. Right here. Then how many zeros are there? Just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So grouping should be proper. Proper. So next question is using distributive law. Use distributive law to evaluate. Okay. Distributive law means splitting. How to split? Let us see. 984 multiplied by 102. So here you can see 984 multiplied by 102. 100 plus. So 102 I have splitted or I have divided or I have written in 100 plus 2 manner. You can see if 101 is there, you should write 100 plus 1, 102, 100 plus 2, 103, 100 plus 3, 109, 100 plus 9, 107, 100 plus 7. So that way you have to write. Okay. So same way I have written 102 as 100 plus 2. Now distributive property, you know, this 984 multiplied by 100. So 984 multiplied by 100, this plus here as it is. See, I have multiplied this with this. So I have written that here. And this plus. Then 984 multiplied by this 2. So 984 multiplied by this 2. Okay. So 984 multiplied by 100 gives this. 984 multiplied by 2 gives this. So 984 ones are 984, 1 2 1 2 0. Okay, plus 984 twos are 1968, and if you add it you will get 1,368. Okay, next you can see here next 385 multiplied by 1004. So 385, 1004, I have split it in 1000, 1000 plus 4. If it is 1005, 1000 plus 5, it is 1001, 1000 plus 1. Okay. So 385 multiplied by 1000 plus 4. So 385 multiplied by this. 385 multiplied by 1000. See, this is multiplied by this. So I have written it here. This plus. Then 385 again multiplied by 4 after this plus. So 385 multiplied by 4. So 385 multiplied by 1000, 3,85,000, because 385 multiplied by 1 is 385. 1 2 3 1 2 3 zeros. Plus 385 multiplied by 4 gives 1540. When you add it properly, you get this answer. Okay. That is 3,86,540. How to add also I'll tell you. Arranging numbers is very important. Otherwise there you will lose marks. And is 1540. So 1540 I'll write here. And then I can add. But why ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh? Okay. So ones should come below ones, tens, 100, 1000. So many children, like last year, they were doing this way. So how you will get answer? Ones should be below ones. That is the way to add. Okay. Question number 3rd is 1,02,000. So 1 lakh plus 2. Okay. So this I have given homework. I have solved it, but this is again homework. Right. So I'll show you question number 2 once again. If you want to take screenshot, you can take. See, complete question number 2 and question number 3. If you want to take screenshot, you can take right now. This goes easy, I think so. Now next question. Question number 4. Evaluate using properties. Now which property? Distributive property on subtraction. Okay. So 548 multiplied by 98. Now here last question we were dealing with 101, 102, 103, 100. So 101 we used to write it as 100 plus 1. Here 98. So 98 can be written as 100 minus 2. So 100 minus 2 is 98. So I can write 100 minus 2. If 99 is there, I can write 100 minus 1. Okay, splitting can be done in this way. So 548 multiplied by 100 minus 2. So 98 is written as, 98 is converted and written as 100 minus 2 to make our work easier. So 548 multiplied by 100 minus 2. So 548 multiplied by 100. I have written it here. You can see opening of the bracket we have to do here. So 548 multiplied by 100 minus. So see, this multiplied by this I have written here. This minus, and after that 2 is left. So 548 multiplied by 2. So 548 multiplied by 2. So 548 multiplied by 100. 54,800. How? 548 multiplied by 1 gives you 548. How many zeros? 2 zeros. 1, 2. So I'll write here 1, 2 zeros. Minus 548 multiplied by 2. 2 8s are 16. Carry 1. 2 4s are 8. 1 carry 9. And 2 5s are 10. If you don't know this orally, you can do in rough column. So subtract 54,800 minus 1,096. You will get 53,704. Next question you can see here. 924 multiplied by 988. 924 multiplied by, so 988 I have written 1000 minus 12. 988 I have written 1000 minus 12. Splitting is done. So 924 multiplied by 1000, this minus sign. So 924 multiplied by 12. Again distributive property of subtraction. Then 924 multiplied by 1000 gives 924 ones are 924 and 1 2 3 zeros. Here also 1 2 3 zeros. This minus here 924 12s are 11,088. This you have to multiply in rough column and then you have to find out. So my answer is 9,12,912. Okay. I have put comma. There is, if you want, it's okay if you don't put also. Okay. Now third one you can see here 3023 multiplied by 723. So here in this little twist I have done 720 I have left, 723 I have kept it same the way it is, and 3023 3000 plus 23. Okay, so 3000 plus 23, so 3023 I have splitted and rest of the method is same. 723 multiplied by 3000 plus 723 multiplied by 23. So here by mistake I have done it directly. So 723 multiplied by this 3000 and this plus 723 multiplied by 23. So you can see 723 3s are 2169, 000 here plus 723 23s are 16,629. So answer is what? 2,185,629. Okay. So for today's video, this is enough. We'll meet in the next video very soon. And till that time, please take care, complete your work. Thank you.